If we placed a giant match on top of the Empire State Building and somehow managed to light it, would it be hot enough to melt the snowflakes, stopping the snowstorm around the building? Well, the storm drops a massive column of cold air, stretching thousands of feet above the tower. To actually stop it, the match would need to be about the size of a football field, and it would need about the same amount of power as a giant wind turbine. But the massive fire would create huge clouds of smoke, meaning you might be able to stop some of the snow over the building, but you would fill the surrounding streets with smoke.